In this video, we listed the 15 best space-saving organizer for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Wall-Mounted Folding Table. The wall-mounted folding table is an innovative, space-efficient piece of furniture that blends functionality with modern design. Designed for versatile use in various settings such as homes, kitchens, and offices, this table is ideal for compact spaces where efficient use of area is essential. Key features: foldable design. The drop-leaf mechanism allows the table to be folded flat against the wall when not in use, saving valuable space. Durable materials. Constructed from sturdy wood or engineered wood, these tables are designed to support daily use while maintaining their sleek appearance. Multifunctionality. It serves as a dining table, work desk, or even a floating storage shelf, catering to various needs in small apartments, kitchens, or offices. Easy installation. Typically mounted to the wall with robust brackets, the table ensures stability and ease of installation. Product 2. Product name: Storage Ottoman Bench. The Red Light 35-inch large square storage Ottoman bench is a versatile and stylish addition to any living room, offering functionality, elegance, and storage in one compact piece of furniture. Its tufted fabric upholstery provides a sophisticated aesthetic, making it suitable as a coffee table, footrest, or seating solution. The lift-top design reveals a spacious storage compartment, perfect for organizing essentials such as blankets, books, or toys, helping maintain a clutter-free living area. Designed for durability and comfort, this storage ottoman features a sturdy frame and plush padding, ensuring both longevity and coziness. Its square shape and 35-inch size make it ideal for central placement in a living room or as an accent piece in larger spaces. This multifunctional ottoman complements a variety of interior styles, from modern to traditional, making it a practical and stylish choice for enhancing home decor. Product 3. Product name: Invisible Floating Bookshelves. Invisible floating bookshelves are innovative wall-mounted storage solutions designed to create a minimalist and modern look in homes, offices, or libraries. These shelves are engineered to give the illusion that books are floating on the wall, as the shelf itself becomes virtually invisible when loaded with books. This unique design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the space but also maximizes functionality by freeing up floor space and organizing books in a clean, clutter-free manner. Key features include: space-saving design, perfect for small apartments or limited spaces, as they utilize vertical wall space effectively. Durable construction, typically made from sturdy metal or high-quality materials to support heavy loads securely. Easy installation. Most shelves come with all necessary hardware for quick and straightforward wall mounting. Versatile usage. Beyond books, these shelves can hold decorative items, plants, or photo frames, blending seamlessly into modern interiors. Product 4. Product name: Foldable Underwear Socks Organizer. The 6th of July 11 Grids Foldable Underwear Socks Organizer is a versatile storage solution designed to enhance wardrobe organization and keep smaller clothing items neatly arranged. This product is particularly ideal for storing underwear, socks, bras, and other similar garments. Key features: grid options. Comes in 6, 7, or 11 grid configurations, allowing you to choose based on your specific organizational needs. Each grid is tailored to keep items separated, ensuring they stay easily accessible and untangled. Foldable design. Conveniently folds flat when not in use, making it easy to store and transport. Ideal for compact spaces or for taking along during travel. Breathable mesh material. Made with breathable mesh fabric to prevent odor buildup and maintain freshness. Allows visibility of contents for quick and easy access. Durable and lightweight. Constructed with high-quality materials to withstand daily use. Lightweight yet sturdy design ensures ease of handling without compromising durability. Product 5. Product name: Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. A pull-out cabinet organizer is an essential home accessory designed to maximize storage efficiency and provide easy access to items in cabinets, closets, or living spaces. These slide-out drawers and shelves are versatile and cater to a wide range of organizational needs. They combine functionality with aesthetics, making them suitable for any modern home setup, including kitchens, living rooms, or even laundry areas. Key features. Slide-out mechanism. The pull-out feature ensures smooth and effortless access to items, even in deep cabinets, reducing the need to reach or rearrange contents. Large capacity. Built to hold a variety of items, these organizers are ideal for storing cookware, pantry items, cleaning supplies, or miscellaneous household essentials. Sturdy construction. Typically made with durable materials such as metal, stainless steel, or reinforced plastic, these organizers are designed to handle heavy loads without compromising on stability. Product 6. Product name: Kitchen Storage Rack. A kitchen storage rack is an essential household item designed to optimize storage and organization in the kitchen. It offers a practical solution for storing vegetables, kitchen tools, and other miscellaneous items in a neat and easily accessible manner. The rack's multi-layer design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for compact or cluttered kitchens where efficient use of space is crucial. Key features. Floor-to-floor design. The rack is freestanding and built to stand securely on the floor, making it a stable and convenient storage option for various kitchen needs. Multi-layer storage. Its multi-layer configuration provides ample storage for different categories of items, such as fresh produce, dry goods, cookware, or cleaning supplies, while keeping them separated and organized. Household multifunctionality. Besides being a vegetable storage rack, this multifunctional item can serve as a utility rack for miscellaneous household needs, such as holding pantry staples, small appliances, or even non-kitchen items like toiletries. Durable construction. Made with robust materials, these racks are designed for long-term use. Product 7. Product name: Transparent Acrylic Book Rack. The transparent acrylic book rack is a versatile and modern solution for organizing books, documents, and other items while complementing various interior aesthetics. Designed with functionality and elegance in mind, it serves multiple purposes, including a reading stand, desk partition, display shelf, or storage organizer. Its transparent design enhances visibility and accessibility, making it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and home organizers. Key features. Durable acrylic material. Constructed from high-quality acrylic, ensuring durability, sturdiness, and a lightweight profile. Resistant to wear, scratches, and daily use. Multi-purpose design. Functions as a book rack, reading stand, or desk partition. Can be used to display literature, magazines, and decorative items. Serves as a storage container for papers, files, and stationery. Product 8. Product name: Magnetic Refrigerator Side Storage Rack. The Magnetic Refrigerator Side Storage Rack is a versatile and space-saving kitchen organizer designed to maximize utility and reduce clutter in households. Made of durable iron, it attaches securely to the side of a refrigerator or other magnetic surfaces using strong built-in magnets, eliminating the need for drilling or adhesives. Its sleek and functional design includes multiple tiers or compartments for storing a variety of kitchen essentials, such as spices, utensils, paper towels, or small appliances. This rack caters to the modern household's needs by providing an efficient solution for organizing frequently used items, making them easily accessible while preserving countertop space. Its robust construction ensures stability, even when loaded with heavier items, and its aesthetic design blends well with most kitchen interiors. Additional features may include hooks for hanging tools, towel bars, or removable shelves for customization. Product 9. Product name: Fridge Organizer Rack. The Magnetic Fridge Organizer Rack is a versatile and space-saving solution for enhancing kitchen organization. Designed to attach securely to a refrigerator or any magnetic surface, this rack serves as a multifunctional storage unit. Its robust construction and sleek design make it an ideal accessory for modern households. Key features. Space optimization. maximizes unused vertical space on the fridge, making it perfect for compact kitchens or areas where counter space is limited. Multi-tier design often includes multiple shelves and hooks to accommodate a variety of items like spices, condiments, utensils, or small kitchen gadgets. Strong magnetic backing ensures a firm grip on metal surfaces, preventing slippage even when fully loaded. Durable materials, typically constructed from high-quality steel or aluminum with a powder-coated finish for durability and resistance to rust. Product 10. Product name: Hanging Refrigerator Organizer. The Hanging Refrigerator Organizer is a versatile and space-saving kitchen tool designed to enhance organization and accessibility in the kitchen. This magnetic shelf system attaches seamlessly to the side of a refrigerator or any other magnetic surface, providing a convenient solution for storing condiments, seasonings, and other kitchen essentials. Its robust design makes it ideal for modern kitchens where efficient use of space is essential. Key features: magnetic mounting. The organizer easily adheres to the fridge or other metallic surfaces without requiring additional installation tools, preserving the aesthetics of your kitchen. Multiple storage levels. Equipped with various shelves and compartments, it can accommodate bottles, jars, spice containers, and utensils. Durable construction. Made of high-quality materials, it is designed to handle the weight of multiple items securely. Versatile design. Functions as a wall hanger or rack, making it suitable for use beyond refrigerators, such as on metallic walls or other appliances. Product 11. Product name: Bathroom Corner Storage Organizer. The Bathroom Corner Storage Organizer is a versatile storage solution designed to optimize space in your bathroom, kitchen, or even on your desk. This organizer shelf is perfect for decluttering and maximizing storage in tight corners, making it ideal for small spaces. It offers multiple tiers to store and organize a variety of items such as skincare products, makeup, shampoos, lipsticks, and other cosmetic items. In addition to bathroom use, it can also serve as a makeup organizer on a vanity table or as a kitchen rack to store spices, condiments, or small kitchen accessories. With its compact design and ability to hold a variety of items, the Bathroom Corner Storage Organizer enhances both organization and accessibility, helping keep your space neat and tidy. Product 12. Product name: Bamboo Corner Tall Plant Stand Rack. The Bamboo Corner Tall Plant Stand Rack is an elegant and practical solution for displaying plants in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Designed to maximize vertical space, this plant stand features multiple tiers to hold a variety of flowers and plants, making it ideal for corner spaces where traditional furniture may not fit. Its natural bamboo construction provides a stylish, eco-friendly look that complements any decor, whether modern or rustic. The stand is versatile, suitable for use in gardens, balconies, living rooms, or patios. Additionally, the bamboo material is lightweight, durable, and resistant to moisture, making it a perfect choice for both indoor and outdoor use. This plant rack not only enhances the aesthetic of your space but also helps organize your plants efficiently, making it a great addition to any home or garden setup. Product 13. Product name: Stand Rolling Cart. A stand rolling cart, specifically the Salon Table Trolley Stand Rolling Cart Beauty Will Holder Spar, is a versatile and practical piece of equipment designed for use in professional settings such as beauty salons, spas, or home-based beauty treatments. This rolling cart offers a convenient solution for organizing and transporting tools, products, and equipment. With a maximum load capacity of 45 to 50 kilograms, it provides ample support for heavy-duty items, making it ideal for storing and moving salon supplies like hair dryers, styling tools, beauty products, and other essential equipment. The rolling design ensures easy mobility, allowing users to transport the cart smoothly across the salon or spa, saving time and effort during treatments. Product 14. Product name: Dish Drainer Rack. A dish drainer rack is an essential kitchen accessory designed to organize and dry dishes, plates, glasses, and utensils after washing. This particular model, described as a foldable collapsible plate drainer organizer, offers a space-saving solution, making it ideal for smaller kitchens, campers, or anyone looking to optimize their kitchen counter space. The tableware storage utensil holder feature ensures that your cutlery is neatly stored while drying, preventing it from cluttering the countertop. Its foldable and collapsible design makes it perfect for individuals with limited space, such as those living in apartments or campers. When not in use, the rack can be easily collapsed and stored, saving precious counter space. This versatility also makes it an excellent addition to camping accessories, where portability and efficient organization are key.